Want to dress like this? But you don't know where to start? I'm here to guide you through that. In this video, we'll be unraveling the secrets behind the style, makeup, and mindset of the mob wife aesthetic, as well as the websites to purchase mob wife-styled clothing. Let's get into it. Essential items. Though we're building an affordable mob wife aesthetic wardrobe, we will have to invest into some better quality pieces. If you find yourself unable to purchase certain pieces, please look at the alternatives. Let us introduce the key components of this style. Fur jacket, black tights, black pants, one scarf, long skirt, leopard print skirt, black dress, leopard print dress, black shirt or blouse, earrings, necklace, sunglasses, shoes. Here are some additional items that you don't need to purchase but can help you create more outfits. A fur shawl, short black skirt, knee-high heels, leopard print heels, leopard print pants, a black dress with lace, one off-the-shoulder leopard print dress, and leopard shirts or blouses. Textures. Textures contribute to the luxurious and sophisticated appeal of the style, adding depth and visual interest to clothing and accessories. Here are some that are frequently associated with the mob wife aesthetic: velvet, satin, lace, wool, cotton, and fur. Color palette. Classic red, black, burgundy, gold, and neutral tones are some of the colors that are commonly found in the mob wife aesthetic. The mob wife aesthetic is known for its daring, glamorous, and confident attitude. The following are essential components of mob wife-inspired makeup. Highlights. Apply a champagne or gold-toned highlighter to the high points of the face, such as the cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and Cupid's bow for a luminous and ethereal effect. Contoured cheeks. Use a matte bronzer or contour powder to define the hollows of the cheeks, temples, and jawline for a sculpted look, and finish with a touch of blush on the cheeks. Defined eyebrows. Well-groomed and defined eyebrows frame the face and add structure to the overall look. Fill in sparse areas with a brow pencil or powder and use a clear brow gel to set them in place for a polished finish. Sultry smoky eyes. This involves using dark eyeshadows such as charcoal, deep brown, or black to create a dramatic and smoldering eye look. Blend the shadows well and add a touch of shimmer on the lids for extra allure. Bold winged eyeliner. Create a dramatic wing using a liquid or gel eyeliner, extending it slightly beyond the outer corner of the eye for a fierce and elongated effect. Lips. Bold and vibrant lip colors are a must-have for the mob wife aesthetic. Opt for classic shades like red, burgundy, or deep plum to make a statement and command attention. Nails. When it comes to nails in the mob wife aesthetic, boldness and glamour are key. Here are some nail tips for this style. Opt for long, almond-shaped, or stiletto nails. Try deep, sultry shades like burgundy, dark red, or black. The mindset of the mob wife aesthetic is deeply rooted in a sense of self-assurance and resilience. It's about embodying a fearless attitude towards life, knowing one's worth, and standing tall in the face of adversity. To tap into this mindset, you must cultivate a strong belief in yourself, recognize your worth and capabilities. Embracing this mindset of strength and poise allows you to exude an aura of authority and command respect in any situation. You must embrace the unknown to adopt the mindset of empowerment that leads to a life lived with purpose and passion. In this segment, we'll look at the top websites and stores for purchasing mob wife-style clothing and accessories. Here's the list of additional websites: Steve Madden, H&M, Zara, Shane, Forever 21, While our exploration of the fascinating realm of the mob wife aesthetic is drawing to an end, keep in mind that true style has no boundaries. As you move gracefully and glamorously through life's journey, embrace your inner strength, charm, and confidence. Thank you for joining me on this stylish adventure. Until next time, stay fierce, stay fabulous, and always embrace the essence of the mob wife aesthetic.